Hi guys, it's Megan. Welcome back to my garage. Today we're going to talk about charging your Tesla at home. So follow along and I'll show you how to do it. All right, so here's my charger. Ours is a Clipper Creek. We had other electric vehicles prior to having our Teslas, and so this is what we originally installed, and it works great. It's just a different brand, and you have to use an adapter on this in order to charge the Teslas. So we'll just kind of go over those steps. So it's plugged into a higher voltage outlet. This is equivalent to what you might use for your dryer or maybe your oven. So we just had an electrician come over and change it out for us. He ran a new line down to our circuit breaker in our basement. So that's what we did when we moved in. You can plug in a charger to a regular voltage outlet. This one's obviously designed for a higher voltage, but you can plug into a regular outlet. However, the charge will take a lot longer. To charge my car with this charger, depending on how drained it is, it can take up to just a few hours, up to like maybe overnight. If we were gonna have the slow charger, it would take probably 24 hours or so to give me a full charge if it was pretty much empty. So just keep that in mind. All right, so I'm seeing pretty quickly this is gonna be a little too hard to do with one hand, so I'm gonna do it offline, but this is the adapter, this is the charger, and I'll show you how to do it. So here's the charger. It has a button on it to push, and so I'm going to put the wider end of that adapter onto the left-hand side of the plug. So hang on one second. All right, so now my adapter is plugged into place. Here's the button, and that actually helps hold the adapter into place. So we're gonna walk over to my car. All right. So if I had a Tesla plug hooked up right now, which we have one and we use it sometimes, but if you were to push the button on the Tesla plug, my car charger door would actually open on its own, but since I don't have it on, I'm just gonna gently touch it. Okay, so it has kind of a blue glowing light. I'm just gonna put it right in and push. And so now it's darker blue and flashing, and now it turns to green, and that means it is charging. On my charger, I can actually tell that it's charging because the second light is on. The top light is the power light, so that just says that it's plugged in and working. The second light is the charging light, and it turned green. And now inside my car, I can tell I'm charging as well. It says charging, it says the time remaining and what percentage it's currently at, and how quickly it's charging. There is a way to set the limit of how much charge you would like. We currently have it set on 70% battery. You do want to kind of keep it a little bit lower than 100% unless you're really needing the full charge just for the day-to-day driving. It helps protect your battery and helps it last longer. Another video, I will show you how to set the limit there though. All right, so when you're ready to remove your charger, you're gonna come up to the car, you're gonna gently push in just a little bit, click the button, and then pull straight out. And that allows the adapter to stay right on your charger, and then you're finished. So we just put it back over on our charger, so be ready for the next time. Ta-da! And the car automatically closed the little door on the charger. So you're ready to go. All right, so that's how you would charge your vehicle with an adapter using a third-party charger. This is the process at home. However, if you were out and about and you wanted to charge, you could do the same thing on a public charger that's not a Tesla charger. So it's useful to have that adapter and to kind of keep it near your car, especially if you're going to be out and think you might want to charge. I will do another video at a later time with the Tesla charger here at home, so check it out. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.